Good copy.
NPC secure.
Copy. Copy. Hey, Kimber, where are you at?
I'm up on 2.
Can you make your way to 369? I'm on my way over there.
10-4.
You want me to go? You can come along too. 614. I'm making contact with the patient. Go for it. 614. Standing by for medication. So your code for it. Currently. You need us to assist.
Hey, Vernon, we're back on property. 10-4. Hey, Aaron. Vernon to Aaron. Go ahead. Okay, we're code 4.
Copy.
Hey, Vernon, when this guy comes in, make sure that guy out there wasn't asking him for money and stuff. The one in the wheelchair, then.
Hey, Kimber, I have eyes on them. They're like right outside the side of the wellness center, like by where that daycare is area. So I'll just see if I find a camera pointing over there.
10-4, you said over by the daycare area?
Yeah, next to like the sidewalk where that stone wall is that's connected to the daycare.
Copy that, thank you. How you doing?
Go ahead.
Vehicle that we're standing at currently, it showed up here at about 150.
Copy, give me 1 second.
And 150 and 330 is when it's possible. Opened up.
Say again? Hey, Kimber, is a dark colored Chevrolet truck?
10-4, I'm standing in it right now with the door open.
I have eyes. Gentleman Kimber, can you confirm with him that at any point did he go back to his truck while after he parked the grass something out of it?
Hey, can you go ahead and repeat that? I didn't have my ears.
Confirm with him if he went to his truck at any time before the break-in after he had already parked it.
So they did not enter the vehicle after it was parked until they came back and noticed things were missing.
Copy. Hey, Kimber, are you still on scene?
That's affirmative. I've got KPD en route in about 5.
Could you ask the victim if there's anybody else that might have access, like a key fob to his vehicle?
Yes, that's affirmative. There it is.
There's somebody who pulled up that unlocked their vehicle, got in it, and then searched through it, and then got it back into the other vehicle. I'm still watching the footage, but that's what I've noticed so far.
10-4, is it a female?
It does look like it. Let me rewind the footage, but I'm pretty sure it is.
10-4, go ahead and stamp that so that we have that footage. That's probably going to be our person.
Good copy.
Dylan, I'll be clearing up the scene here. If you have that footage recorded, KPD might be swinging by.
Good copy. I have the footage here.
10-4, sir. Thank you.
Hey, Kimber.
Go ahead, sir.
CDU called. They were talking about that patient you were trying to find information on. They were getting ready to head down. I don't know if you have all the information ready or not.
I do not, so I will head down and start the paperwork. I got to pick up this stuff, and then I'll meet him at the main.
Copy. Hey, Kimber, I'll go ahead and handle that.
10-4. Hey, Dylan, just a heads up for you. I do believe there are family in the waiting room.
Copy. Is this the people that we've been keeping an eye on for the past few days? It's code 4 with no family, just medical staff performing life-saving measures.
Good copy, 10-4.
Hey, Kimber, they want us to stand by for an intoxicated patient on West 8.
Stand for M85, West 8, question mark.
Affirmative.
Dylan to Kimber.
Go ahead.
Hey, I'm going to take the side-by-side out back by Little Minnows. There was a report of somebody that was laying down in the parking lot back there, just to give you a heads up.
Okay, good copy.
Hey, Kimber to Dylan. How you doing? Do you copy? Dylan, do you copy?
Go ahead.
I'm going to be on Western with 1. EMS was dispatched to our location for a male subject now.
Good copy.
I'm good 400.
Hey, guys, can you see her by the ambulance bay camera? That's where she went. I lost sight of her. You copy that, guys?
Yeah, she just passed the ambulance bay.
Okay, copy.
She's exited the property. She's now heading towards KFC. Copy.
Hey, DPS, going towards who we think we are. She's going towards?
Yeah, to whatever you said.
TRX and Matt.
Good.
Me and Vernon are occupied up at this rapid. Could you swing on over to the ER entrance to help out with a lift assist?
Copy. I'm on my way.
Ian and Noah,
Good.
you good?
Yeah, I'm around 2 Central area.
Okay, just checking.
Andrea's getting out early. We're going to have to restrain her.
You need me up there?
Good. Just talking about the UCs.
Stick to your job, buddy. Ian and Noah.
Good.
There's a lady over in the MTC lobby that needs assistance in getting from there up to the ICU. I'm going to go deal with that, and I'll be out of the building, okay?
Alrighty, I'm guessing she's going to be fairly large in stature, wearing all pink. I saw her waddling that way.
Well, they told me she was wearing red.
Red.
Then I guess my idea of taking her all the way there in a wheelchair probably isn't going to work. So I guess I'm going to take the
Yeah, and I could meet you out front or with the wheelchair or something.
Oh, that'd be good. Yeah, meet me in front of the main entrance with a wheelchair. Okay?
Will do.
Ian to Noah.
Good.
What's your class?
Stay out front.
Of the main lobby?
No, ED.
Well, she drove her car over here now, and she's parked in front of the main lobby. I'll take her up in the wheelchair.
I'll meet you over there.
Hey, Kimber, you got a copy? You cut out there. You're going to say again?
Jimsy?
Yeah, ICU called, I guess, since you're headed up there, that visitor is ready to depart, so they're just asking one of us if we can wheel her out.
All right, so I must have misunderstood. I thought you were calling over to HMC.
No, I was calling to you. Kimber, yeah, do you copy?
Yeah, I got your transmission. Thank you. I'll be heading up there.
Good copy. Hey, Kimber, we got a level 1 trauma that's coming in right now. I'm going to see what it is.
10-4, I'm still going to be stuck getting her out of the building, so it'll be a minute.
I'll keep you updated what's going on.
Copy that. Thank you, sir.
We're code 4. It was a fall.
I didn't copy that, Dylan. Can you repeat?
Level 1 trauma is code 4. It was a fall.
Sir. I'll be clear last. I'm going to finish my patrol.
Good copy. Hey, Kimber, could you come back to the office for a second?
Hey, can you repeat that?
Yeah, the office real quick.
10-4, I'm 85. Dylan, just to let you know, I'm out with a classic. I'll be bringing the patient's son back in here in a second.
Good copy. Dylan the Kimber. Kimber, you have a copy?
Yeah, go ahead.
We're being requested up to CDU, room 384, bed 3 for a patient concealing items. Staff want us to be there for safety.
10-4, I'm 85 and I'm clear of this last.
Copy, I'm on my way up too.
Admin secured.
Copy. Hey, Kimber, were there any other belongings for that guy? Or can I just log the stuff as is?
Yeah, I've got it. I'm almost to the office.
Copy.
You can go ahead and put that stuff into storage. It's not him.
Good copy. Hey, Kimber, we're needed up in 324 for a disruptive patient. Hey, Kimber, you copy that?
I'm with one right now.
Good copy.